So just as proof that this thing is getting an oil change right now on what is it, 3 April, Sunday. So replacing the filter with an OEM Toyota filter. Green plug is out. All the oil's been drained into here. About to just change oil on this thing. We're checking it all out underneath, making sure there's no leaks or anything that will cause any problems. So now you know you don't have to get an oil change for 3,500 to 5,000 miles, depending on how active you want to maintain this thing. Just letting you guys know.